Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use Wooting 68G on PS5. Start by plugging the keyboard into one of the USB ports on your PS5 using the provided USB cable. After that, power on your PS5. The console should automatically detect the keyboard once it is connected. Now if needed, switch the keyboard to the correct mode. The Wooting 68G works in digital mode by default, but if you plan to use specific features such as analog input for certain games, ensure the keyboard is in the appropriate mode. Next, you can test the keyboard by navigating through the PS5 menu and typing something in the text input fields to check its functionality. After that, if you want to configure the keyboard further, like adjusting analog settings or reassigning keys, you will need to use the Wooting software on a PC, as direct customization is not supported on the PS5. Finally, you can enjoy games that support keyboard input, as some PS5 games may allow key remapping or take advantage of the analog keys of the Wooting 68G. By following these steps, you should be able to use the Wooting 68G keyboard on your PS5, though keep in mind that its full functionality may depend on the game and any system updates. That's it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.